Hi everyone, this will be a little bit different from what I usually do because today we will see how to make high quality videos with very low cost equipment. So as you can see, actually using my phone to record, so you should see more or less if the voice is closer or not to my phone. And this is actually an old DVD recorder. It weighs a lot, so you can use anything that you want. Even you can pick a rock outside and put it here, just to make sure that this doesn't fall and the mic is towards your face. And actually the audio is a audio file that I'm doing on WhatsApp, and I'm putting it on a group where there are just me and myself. And then I will download it from WhatsApp web and edit it and put it in the full video later. And this is just because my mic of the computer is very scrappy, so I need something better because this is just disgusting. Anyway, for the recording, I use OBS, which is what you are looking here now. And for OBS, it is an open source free project. If you don't know what this is, I'm using the combo the center web browser and pre-search search engine, which gives you money for whatever search you do. This is not a scam. It's like in the supermarket where they give you some free products to test it out. So check the videos in my account to know more about it. So anyway, you can download OBS for Windows, Mac, and Linux. And it's very easy to use. Actually, in the Mac, I discovered that there is just one button. You need to press it and it will configure it as the best for you. Here we can use the scenes. So I set up screen and face so that if I want, I can have my face here on the right corner. And here I have the full face, so I can just have my full face here. Let's see if this works. Maybe I will see later in the editing part. And also I can decide like Braven face, GIMP, and I have some custom scenes to use, and they are quite handy. Here in every scene you can decide if you want to capture the audio coming inside the computer, the audio coming outside, like if you're playing any videos. And you can, I think the most important ones are the capture the whole screen, so what I'm doing right now, and capture just a specific window. So for example, if you want to do a PowerPoint presentation, first of all, you need to open the PowerPoint window, and then you click here, plus capture the window, let's say PowerPoint, say okay, and here you can select if you want to capture even the mouse or not, and just press OK. And here we can see the window. So this is actually the side of the window. If we want to make it full screen, we will go to the app and set for full screen. And now I can do whatever I want. I can look at notes, videos, Wikipedia resources, and you will still just see the PowerPoint app. And to show it on or off, you can just click in this I button. So now you will see the PowerPoint, and now not. And so it's very handy if you want to do other things while other people look at a very specific window. And to remove it, you just need to press the minus button. Oh, there is a really cool thing, which is the webcam, a virtual webcam. So like if you have an exam, you can actually put a virtual webcam connected to a video that you recorded before, and they will see the video of the recording instead of your webcam. But this is not something that's important now. So here in the settings, it's best, I don't know exactly where it is, but I think in output or video, you can choose the format of the video that you're doing. And I suggest you to do MP4, just because it's easier to edit, and just it's a more common one than the one which is installed. And another great thing about OBS, you can create multiple things of OBS running. And for example, here I can set to look at my full face. So here you can see my full face. And actually, if you have a setup like this, it's great just to remember to not show up these horrible things because you know it's not pretty, but anyway. And actually this is better because this, since it's bigger, has a better resolution, and you can get this video, the other one, and put it and do all the effects that you want. Maybe put your window lower and then bigger and other stuff, and the quality will be not reduced. So for example, this is the audio that I just made, and in WhatsApp Web, you can just download it. And to make it better, we can use Audacity, which is obviously another free product and still open source. This one here, you can download it for Windows, Mac, or Linux. With Audacity, you can do lots of stuff. This is actually a very good one for high-level audio editing. It's better to leave some minutes, like no, some seconds, like 5 to 10 seconds, where you don't talk, so that you can capture the background noise. So yeah, maybe I will do it about no, I cannot do it anymore. Anyway, so for example here, I'm not talking, so I will just set to effects and noise reduction and get a profile of noise. And then I select all with Control A. So you keep Control down and you press A. Go to effects, reduction, and then press OK. So maybe we can see here, this should be lower now. Maybe like the fans of the computer or something less. This program will get rid of it and make a smoother audio files. And then we can export it. You can export it in whatever extension you want. Since Odge is the extension of WhatsApp, this is what I use. And you can actually set your name, your album, your track, your genre. This is actually for the professional audio editing, but I don't care about it, so I just press OK. So I can just close without saving because I already exported, and I will put it to my folder that I created. So now we have the audio, and now we will get the videos. So in here, file, get videos. You can find the videos that we've done previously here. So we can just put it here. So cell phone is plugged. And if it is an Android one, you can just put it on Windows, search for the DCM folder and camera and videos, and go to the last one. If you have an Apple, you might need to download iTunes and convert it and find it's a bit more complicated. Wow, 1.6 gigabyte. All right, so now to put it all together, we can just use OpenShot. And guess what? It is free and open source as well. I love open source projects. And actually, you can download it for Windows, Linux, or Mac. And for Linux, it's even faster. So yeah, great Linux. Anyway, so now that we have OpenShot open, actually, you probably have the simple view. And this is nice if you just want to paste things together. And oh yeah, this is a very heavy resources consumer. So it's better if you have small videos, like 5 to 10 minutes. Because if you do editing, the editings will keep growing and growing at the memory, and then it will definitely crash. Okay, and now we need just to paste everything together. So we will start from the more difficult one, so the phone, and put it here, and we separate the audio file in a single clip because it's easier, we just need to remove it later. And also the first audio file edited, so here. Right, and now we just need to make it all together. So we should zoom in. All right, finally I made it. So we just need, oh god, it crashed. Wow, I haven't even saved it. So yes, first thing first, whenever you do something on OpenShot, you need to press the save button, otherwise it will just crash. So let's do it all again. First of all, let's save it. save project, and slice all, keep right size. So now everything is on par, and we just delete the one of the phone. So here should be good. Hi everyone. So if you want to remove something, so like for example here I just staggered a bit, so you can just do slice all and keep both sides, and then you go to the part that you need to remove. So here, slice all, keep right sides, and then put it back together. Here the magnet is to help put in the exact point that you cut before. So as you can see, actually using my phone to record, so you should see. And yeah, that might be good. Anyway, if the volume makes like a sound, like in my first videos, you can actually go to here, and you need to be on the advanced view, so advanced view, and on the left you find the volume. You just put it to 0, and after like a millisecond you just put it back to 1, and in such a way there is no discontinuity between the two audio files, and the audio will be smoother. So as you can see, actually using my phone, so here we need to switch to the other recording one, so we will put the video of the screen here and do the exact same thing. So take off separate save, yes, and separate the audio files, and we will try to match them together. Use OBS, which is what you are looking here. So yeah, around here, which is no, a little bit more. Which is what you are looking here now. Oh, perfect. So delete, slice, and here, which is what you are looking here now. And actually there are many effects here that I don't care at all, and here in the alpha section you can set if you want your video to be transparent or not, and I just use it to make different videos go into one another smoothly. So at the beginning you need to go to the left side and put it like 0 alpha channel, and after whatever amount of time that you want, you just put like 1, and automatically OpenShot will do a fading effect, which is what you are looking. Yes, perfect. And also, just to complete the tutorial, if you want to put any image, so you can download it or you can create it like with GIMP. So for example, this arrow here, I want to put it, for example, on my face here. So yeah, I will just put it here. And as you can see, it's very big. So if you want to make something like go from big like here to your face smoothly, you just need to put these red things with the blue on top on whatever time that you want. And then you here on the scale X, if you think that this is not something long, then you should check my Italian video, because it is so much of a pain to understand exactly where it should be, like where are the dimensions. So yeah, I take it like 10 seconds, but in reality I need to do like 0.2, 0.1, 0.15 and other stuff like this. So here we will have a transition from here audio file that I'm doing on WhatsApp. Yes, and now we can even decide to put it like on and off repeatedly. So we want to start from example here, so we will set yes. Now we want to see it, so we will see it all from here to here, and then maybe here we will set it to none and to yes. We will keep seeing it for like here, and then none, and here will be like faster, so fast, none, fast, maybe even maybe like this and this and this. And also I don't like that it appears immediately, so I will do it even at the beginning. So I need to put it outside on the far left, and then I will make it like 1. So it should happen something like this. Audio file that I'm doing on WhatsApp, and I'm putting it on a group where there are just me and myself, and then I will download it. So I just leave it like this. So actually, in the beginning of this video, you should have seen such a big red arrow, and like, why does it do it? Is just for this reason, to show you how to put images in the video and how to make some basic effects. If you want to see more, you can just put images, transition, other stuff. I just don't care. This is the basics, and just look for yourself. It's quite a nice program since it's free and open source. So this is all for the video. Remember to put a like button, and if you want to check the other stuff that I'm doing, it's free. Just go into my channel. See ya.